to my channel. I have a special guest right behind me who's being silly. He's being silly. But I'm here to bring you guys my Target haul. I think I did okay. There's some deals that are actually a pretty good deal, so if you guys want to do this, go for it. Target's kind of a slow week on... Target's kind of a slow week with Ibotta, but I'm here to share with you guys what I'm going to get for you. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Okay, so I ended up getting these Suave Kids. You know, when I like to stock up on Suave stuff, especially kids stuff, because this is stuff and it's super cheap. And, you know, why not? Why not? So I didn't even smell these. I just grabbed them. They didn't have a lot of good flavors, but, ooh, the coconut smells good. So I ended up getting these Suave Kids shampoo. Now, you guys can do these, anything with $2.99, which there's a lot of different deals for $2.99. But these were $2.99. You guys want to use $2 off of 2 coupons that we got into yesterday's paper, so Sunday's paper. That's a great coupon. I've never seen that coupon before. You guys would just pay $7.96 for 4 of them. So I got all 4 of them to show you guys. So all 4 of these. You guys will end up getting a $5 gift card. Now, I roll my gift cards. I save them for the next week. But you guys would get them with a $5 gift card. Comes out to be $2.96 for all 4 of them, or just 74 cents a bottle, which I think, I have the hiccups, is a really good deal. So if you guys really want to stock up on kids shampoo and or just kids, it's 2-in-1, so shampoo and conditioner, and it's tear free. I usually use Aussie Kids, but I'm thinking of using some of this stuff for my son. You know, go for it. Oh yeah. So I wanted to share with you guys with that deal. I don't even know if these are even, I don't know. Okay, the next deal I got is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara. This was $6.19. There's those $3 off coupons that were on coupons.com. You guys would just pay $3.19 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 19 cents. So if you guys are needed some mascara, I think CoverGirl mascara for 19 cents is a great deal. I have used this stuff. I actually have it. They changed their look before. It used to be different, but I actually do like their lash blast, but I kind of rotate my mascara just to try out new things. I did the pen, no, I didn't do the pen deal. I ended up getting the pens. Now, these were 97 cents, I think, or 99 cents. 99 cents. I used those $1 off coupons that we got in, these, yeah. I don't know. I got some at Walmart and I got some at, Target, but I think these are the ones I got at Target. I don't remember. But anyways, you guys would get these for 99 cents. Use that $1 off coupon. These come to be absolutely free. The coupon does adjust to the difference. So you guys would definitely want to do that. I ended up getting the Neutrogena face wash. This was $4.22. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon that I think we got from the 7-8 Smart Source. You guys would just pay $2.22. But then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 72 cents. $2.22, $1.50, 72 cents. I don't know if I'm saying this correctly, you guys. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm just overtired, you guys. I worked all weekend. I'm just so tired. And my favorite show comes on tonight, so it's like, I gotta watch that, and I gotta have all these videos posted before my show comes on. But next thing I did was a Suave Gold. Now, one thing is some of these are $2.99 and some of them are $2.89. I just did the $2.89 because they also had the little mask so you guys can rip that off and you guys can use a deep conditioning mask. So these were $2.89. You guys want to use 2 of those 3 off of 2 coupons. Those are great coupons right now, you guys. You guys want to use 2 of those 3 off of 2 coupons. You guys would pay $5.56 for 4 of them. But then you guys will get a $5 gift card, making these just 56 cents or just 14 cents a piece. And you guys cannot go wrong with 14-cent shampoo and conditioner. So wanted to share with you guys with that deal. Yes, that was my haul. Target was just kind of slow this week. There was some good deals, but I didn't have the correct coupons for it. My coupons got delayed, which is fine with me, you know. Sometimes it's okay. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't already. Oh, one thing I forgot to say is also to make sure you guys submit your receipt on Fetch Rewards, because I got points for all the Suave, and I bought 8 Suave items. So definitely make sure you guys, you know, submit your receipt for these Suave. So my total came to, I'm totally not even thinking straight today. My total came to $20.57. I ended up getting $5 back with Ibotta. That was for the $3 for the CoverGirl and then $1.50 for the Neutrogena. And then I had $2.25 any receipts, so I got $5 back. I ended up getting $10 back in a gift card, $5 for the Kids Suave and $5 for the Gold Suave. So, and then I got 65 points with Fetch just for scanning everything. So my total came to $5.57 items. I got 10 items for $5.57. That comes up to 56 cents a piece. I think that's an okay deal. I always try to get everything at least under 10 bucks. I think paying for a bunch of stuff under 10 bucks is a pretty good deal depending on how many items you get. But like I said, I bought 10 items, so I think $5 for 10 items is a pretty good deal. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe channel so you guys can watch more Target Ibotta hauls. I'm really hoping Target gets a little bit better, but I just wanted to share with you guys on some good, easy deals that you guys can do if you need to rack up some stuff in your stockpile. But again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.